morning, good morning. So I'm in the Catskills again on a trail which is extremely popular. It's called the Giant Ledge Trail. I got here early because I knew the parking lot gets full pretty quickly. It's 8 in the morning on a cloudy Sunday. It probably might rain a bit. Feels like it has been raining throughout the summer as well as fall. But let's hope the rain stays away and we get some amazing views of the fall foliage from the Giant Ledge and maybe even to the Panther Mountain, which is the next mountain after the Giant's Ledge. Well, I don't know about the Giant Ledge, but these are some giant stairs to go up this mountain. So that was a bit of a deja vu moment for me. This is exactly the same place where I came after doing that 15-mile Burrows Range Trail a couple of weeks back. Well, I'm glad I'm not doing that today because that was a brutal hike. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I will leave a link in the description, as well as you can find a link somewhere over here. So this trail so far, quite good. Not steep at all. Some minor inclines, but nothing to worry about really. The only thing that worries me is the fog that's rolling in, which means there might be really limited views from the top. But we shall see. I'm pretty convinced this fog is not going to lift anytime soon. Might as well head back or just stay put for some more time over here. I think my luck has finally run out with the weather. At least this bagel is tasting good. Isn't it so amazing that these pine trees are decorated in these maple leaves? The maple leaves are like natural ornaments for these pine trees that are looking so beautifully decked up. Well, you never know what you'll find in the forest. You just have to come out and explore. Just trying to make the most out of this day that is completely fogged in. But still, it's so beautiful out here. This quintessential fall season, isn't it? Fall scenery, like the fallen leaves, the rustling sound of those leaves, and this pine trees nicely decked up with all the colorful leaves. It's just beautiful. You know, if you ever wanted to understand the definition of the word enchanted, then this is it. Absolutely, this is what you call as an enchanted forest. Just beautiful, amazing. So that's a wrap of the Giant's Ledge and Panther Mountain. Bit disappointing not to see any views because of the fog, but I think the beautiful forest at the Panther Mountain made up for the disappointment of the lack of views. Definitely not the most ideal conditions, but I think I'm still happy that I got to experience the walk through the beautiful enchanted forest. So until next time, it's bye.